Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do task number 2 on the Mad World Publishing. For task number 2, it states remove hidden properties and personal information from the workbook. Do not remove any other content. So how you would do that is you go to your Backstage. And how you go to your Backstage, you go to File. You click on Info. From there, you're going to go and check for issues, inspect document, and then you click yes. From here, you're just going to go to inspect. From right over here, it says remove all the hidden properties, personal information. So this is all about the personal information and the document properties. So just click remove all. You do not need to reinspect, so just click close. This is how you do task number 2. Come on back and you'll see how I do task number 3.